If you feel out of control around food, finishing packets without realizing, this is not because you're weak. It's because your brain has been trained and it can be retrained. Food addiction isn't about food alone. It's about dopamine, habits, and emotional loops. In this video, I'll show you how to break that cycle, step by step. Ultra-processed foods hijack your brain's reward system. Sugar, refined carbs, jump combinations. They spike dopamine fast, then crash it, making you want more. This isn't hunger. It's chemistry. Extreme restriction fuels addiction. Instead, eat regular meals, don't skip meals, include protein, fiber, and fats. When your body feels fed, cravings lose power. Cravings peak for 10 to 15 minutes. Delay eating, change environment, drink water, or walk. You're not fighting the craving, you're letting it pass. Food addiction always has a trigger. Most common: stress, loneliness, boredom, fatigue. Fix the trigger, and food loses control. Remove chaos from eating. Planned meals, safe snacks, no guilt foods. Structure beats willpower every time. You don't need to fight food. You need to change your relationship with it. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to flip fit yourself for fat loss without extremes or shame. Comment reset if you want to follow up on controlling cravings.